And ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the new Caveman video show. I tried my luck to order the limited edition EOS RP Gold, which is limited in Japan only, and I managed to get it. So, without further ado, let's unbox and showcase it to you. Here is the package just arrived from Japan. Please pardon the extreme close-up look. The box is simply too big for my overhead camera setup. My usual style to unbox is simply to make two T-shaped cuts on both ends of the box. That way, you do not need to cut through all the tape and you can simply pop the box open. In this case, the paper documents were in the way, so I will still need to do some extra cuts. Ta-da! Give me a moment while I try to jiggle the package out of the carton. Now let's rip the bubble wrap apart. The EOS RP Gold, made for the Tokyo 2020 Olympics. The EOS RP Gold Mount Adapter SP kit, which comes with the extension grip and the control ring adapter. The only other possible EOS RP Gold bundle is the one that comes with the 35mm lens. I decided not to go with that bundle because I own an Sigma 35mm art lens, which by the way is better than all my L lenses. Doesn't the box look familiar to you, like a typical Nikon box? Remember, it's Nikon, not Nikon. Here's the product manual. You can easily download it off the internet. And here's the battery charger. Here's where the battery used to belong, but my warehouse needed to insert the battery into the camera body before shipping it out. Without further ado, let's review the EOS RP body, the main star today. Wow, it is very small and very light. In fact, it is smaller than my Micro Four Thirds EM1 Mark II. Isn't that ironic? Check out this matte gold finish and the dark brown leatherette. The gold is very light, sort of a champagne finish, and not in-your-face yellow gold kind of gold. From far, it can even pass for a silver chrome color. I'm such a sucker for such retro-looking stuff. Please tell me, what do you think? Do you think the gold is better or the black is better? And here's the free EOS RP camera strap. I guess I could look for a matching leather strap instead. Now, let's proceed to unwrap the extra bundled goodies. First up, we have the EG E1 extension grip. Here's the extension grip with matching matte gold and brown leatherette. Okay, you will need to remove the battery door before installing the extension grip. Too bad it doesn't come with a compartment to store the battery door, so you will just have to keep it in a safe and secure place. I've tried the demo EOS RP units and I felt that they didn't go well with all the large RF lenses like the 50f 1.2 or the 28-70 f2. Therefore, you will really need the extension grip to further balance the hefty lenses. This will stay permanently on my camera body. Please remember to get one if you ever order the EOS RP. Now, let's proceed to unbox the control ring mount adapter. Do note that if you had ordered the regular EOS RP, you will only get the regular mount adapter without the control ring. All RF lenses comes with a control ring, so This adapter gives this functionality to your existing EF lenses. I will probably set up the control ring to control the ISO. That way, I will have one dial for the aperture, one dial for the shutter, and one control ring for the ISO. I will have complete control over the three variables. Now, let's proceed to do an initial setup. As you can see, the camera comes with this feature guide. Whenever you switch the mode down, it will explain what the mode is all about. Personally, I will find a way to switch this off because it hinders my operations. Okay, now let's look for the English language option. I believe this will be very difficult for most of you who cannot read Japanese. Aha! Found! It is in the second page of the spanner tab. Look out for the small little man with the dialog icon. So now you see, it is safe to order it out of Japan and use it as per normal use. Now I'm going to put all things together. I'm pairing it with my 17-40 f4L lens. Oops, the battery is flat now. Okay, overall it is quite comfortable to hold the entire setup by the lens. Although it is pretty funny to see the 1740 protrude out like a long lens. Since the camera body is so small and light, it is much better to simply hold the entire rig by the lens, which is where the center of gravity is. I'm going to charge the battery now, but as you can see, it is a little difficult to reach the battery with the extension grip installed. This LPE17 battery is really very small. I guess I will need to order 2 more backups. So, please give me your thoughts if the EOS RP in gold is a yay or a nay. Personally, I'm really a sucker for all things that look hipster. Ironically, this color scheme helps to make it more inconspicuous. Nobody really likes a professional looking DSLR pointing at them. With this, I could probably act like a tourist or a hipster and not look too intimidating on the streets. FYI, this particular bundle costs about $100 more than the regular EOS RP bundle. You may treat it as a limited edition premium, or you can treat it as paying a premium for the control ring adapter. So, please comment below if you would like me to teach you how to order the EOS RP Gold out of Japan. Japan loves to keep the best for themselves. So, if you would like to order some JDM products, I can make a quick video guide on how to order such treasures from Japan to your country. And that's all for today. Please like, comment and subscribe for more. Bye bye.